Actually, this is Shubhalsa speaking. We have been dealing with the chapter Practical Geometry, in which we understood the concept of parallel lines and we learned how to construct the parallel lines and all. We drew various angles using various techniques of geometry. So here in this particular video, we will be learning how to construct the following figures, in which there is a question number 1 of exercise 10.2 is about construct triangle XYZ in which XY is measuring 4.5 centimeter, YZ is measuring 5 centimeter, and ZS is 6 centimeter. Okay, children, the very easy, one of the easiest method of drawing triangle. We have been learning all this right from class 6. So here the figures are given in this order, so in which the measure of XY is 4.5 centimeter. The measure of YZ is 5 centimeter, YZ is 5 centimeter, and the measure of ZX is 6 centimeter. All right, is 6 centimeter. So here are the measures of this following line segments. So here what we need to do is, children, so first we need to draw a bigger line, okay, bigger than all these measures like 4.5, 5 and 6. We have to take the measure bigger than that. So now what we need to do is, we'll first choose a point. So let's suppose this point. So first what we will do, children, we will take the measure of XY. XY is 4.5 centimeter. So we'll just use the compasses to draw this, to take this measure. We'll just place here and we'll just give one arc. Here, this is the measure of XY, 4.5 centimeter. Alright, now what we need to do is, we will take the measure of ZX. ZX is measuring 6 centimeter. ZX is measuring 6 centimeter. This is the measure of ZX. So we'll just place right at X, because ZX and XZ are same. I repeat, the measure of ZX and XZ are same. So we'll take the measure of ZX, we'll place at X and we'll just give one arc. From X we'll just give one arc. By placing at X the measure of ZX, we'll just give one arc, we'll draw one arc. And the measure of YZ, which is measuring 5 centimeter, YZ is measuring 5 centimeter, we'll place at Y and we'll give one arc. So if we join this X and this meeting point of arcs, from this point to this, it will be forming XYZ. It is going to form X, Y and Z. So this is how, children, we have to draw such triangle. This is one of the easiest method of drawing triangles, in which the measure of all 3 dimensions are given. We'll just simply putting arcs will draw the triangle. I believe it's clear to everyone. Now let's talk about question number 2. Question number 2 is about construct an equilateral triangle of side 5.5 centimeter. Children, one of the most common question comes in exam. Drawing equilateral triangle with the measure 5.5 centimeter. 5. Construct an equilateral triangle measuring 5.5 centimeter. Alright, as we all know that the property of equilateral triangle, the measure of all three sides are of equal measure. So if I take a measure of 5.5 centimeter, so this is the measure of 5.5 centimeter, children, 5.5. So now this particular measure will be all around equal in a particular triangle. So we are going to draw a line segment which is quite bigger than that, bigger than 5.5. We'll just take the measure, we'll just hold the measure over here like this. We'll place at this point and we'll just give one arc. Alright. Now we'll take the same measure. As the property of equilateral triangle is equal by every sides. Placing here at the same place will give one more arc. Again, by placing the compasses over here at the same point, will give one more arc. So here, if we join them, if we make them join, a triangle which is going to be formed over here, this is an equilateral triangle. This is an equilateral triangle of measuring all sides are of 5.5 centimeter, 5.5 centimeter, and 5.5 centimeter. This is all around 5.5 centimeter. So this is how, children, we have to draw such triangles. Very easy and very simple process to obtain an equilateral triangle using the measures of 5.5 centimeter. Now let's talk about question number 3. Draw a triangle PQR with PQ 4 centimeter, QR 3.5 centimeter, and PR 4 centimeter. So what are we going to do first, children? We are going to take the measure of all these three sides. This is PQ 4 centimeter, QR 3.5 centimeter. This is QR 3.5 centimeter, PR 4 centimeter, PR 4 centimeter again. All right, 4 centimeter. So children, by seeing the measures only, we can easily understand that this is an isosceles triangle. Now, what is the meaning of this word isosceles triangle? Isosceles triangles means a triangle in which the measure of any pair of two sides are equal in measure. Okay, so here is PQ, which is 4 centimeter, QR, which is 3.5 centimeter, PR, which is 4 centimeter. So what are we going to do right now, children? We'll just draw a measure bigger than this, all the measures which is given in the book. So take the measure of PQ, place here, give one arc. This is PQ. All right. QR, QR is 3.5. So we'll just take the measure of QR 3.5. We'll place it and we'll give an arc. Now we'll just take the measure of PR. We'll place here and we will give an arc. Okay. Now we will make them join. Name of this triangle is PQR. And the measures which is given over here. Seeing this figure, drawing this figure, we can understand that this is an example of an isosceles triangle. It's an isosceles triangle in which the measure of any two sides are equal. I hope, children, this is absolutely clear for you all. If there is any confusions or doubts, please feel free to speak to me. I will make another video on this if there are any confusions or doubts, or I'll try to make clear these concepts during live class. Till then, thank you so much. Bye bye and take care, children.